All right, let's do it. All right, how deep is it? Dang, about 6 inches.
Yeah?
6 inches. Ah,
How about here?
how was there? About 6 inches. Alright, so basically every year, the first time it snows, I have this really stupid tradition of running out to the snow with as little clothing as possible. As you can see right here, I don't even have shoes on. This year is going to be a little bit different. My sister is actually going to throw this football as far out into our backyard as possible, and I basically had to catch it. Alright, throw it. That is not that far, but okay. So cool.
Later.
Alright, one of the most unfortunate things about living in the Northeast is we gotta shovel all this out. We have a driveway up there, and we had to dig our car out because we gotta get something later. But first of all, I need to get something from the shed. I feel like I'm in Narnia for some reason. Let's just get on in here, dig this out. Alright, here's a shovel. Oh my gosh. You have a lot of work to do, Dad. First shovel of the day. Alright, I think I'm done. Alright. Dang, look at my car. Elsa, what'd you do? Looking good, Dad. Alright, got your ladder. Alright. It's really hot.
Yeah, I like that.
Alright, I just thought of a really brilliant idea, and in the 6 years that I've lived here, I can't believe I never thought about this before, but as you can see, you could not be able to see it, but there's like a little like slope down here. What if I made a snow slide? That is what I'm trying to build right now. Let's go. Alright, after about 30 minutes of really hard work, I made the slide. This is gonna be so awesome. Alright, one more thing, make sure you guys like and subscribe, and till next time, see you later. Alright, I'm gonna take this out for a spin. Watch out.
Whoa!